Hey there, bookhub fam. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're going to break down a book that's short in pages but big on impact. It's The 1 Minute Salesperson by Spencer Johnson. Whether you're in sales, starting your own business, or just looking to improve your communication skills, this book will give you the tools to sell smarter, not harder. And hey, if you love these easy-to-understand book summaries that actually stick, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our new videos. All right, let's dive in. Chapter 1, The Power of the 1 Minute Approach. Okay, let's start with a bombshell. What if I told you that less time could actually get you more results? That's the core of the 1 Minute Salesperson. It's all about making every single minute count. And no, it's not about rushing or being pushy. It's about laser focusing on the right things at the right time.
Yadav explains how 90% of buying decisions happen in the subconscious mind. Buyers react emotionally and then justify logically. He introduces us to the limbic brain, the emotional center responsible for trust, connection, and decision-making. If your product doesn't emotionally connect, logic won't matter. Key insight: if you're not selling to the emotional brain, you're not selling at all. Chapter 2, Stop Selling. Start Helping. Yadav emphasizes that the modern buyer doesn't want to be sold to. They want to feel heard, understood, and helped. Instead of chasing leads, you must attract prospects with value, empathy, and clarity. Become a trusted advisor, not a desperate seller. Pro tip from the book: focus on solving real problems, not pushing features. Chapter 3, Understanding the Buyer Journey. Every customer moves through these stages, unaware. Doesn't even know they have a problem. Problem aware. Starts noticing discomfort. Solution aware.
Use credit cards wisely and always pay the full balance every month. Interest on debt is the enemy of wealth. Chapter 4, Needs versus Wants. Understand the difference between needs and wants. You need food, shelter, clothes. You want designer clothes, latest smartphones, etc. Before every purchase, ask, do I really need this? This one simple question can save you a lot of money in life. Chapter 5, Invest early and regularly. The earlier you start investing, the more your money can grow thanks to compound interest. Even small amounts invested in mutual funds, stocks, or index funds over time can turn into huge amounts. Carrie recommends starting to invest from your first paycheck, not after you're rich. Chapter 6, Keep it simple. Many people avoid personal finance because they think it's too complicated. But Carrie says it doesn't have to be. You don't need to become a financial. Invest long-term. Simple habits over complex strategies. Chapter 7, Set financial goals. Without goals, money gets spent randomly. Set short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals like saving 50,000 rupees in 6 months, paying off a personal loan, investing for retirement. Goals give you clarity and help you make better financial decisions. Chapter 8, Track your spending. You can't manage what you don't measure. Track every rupee you spend, daily, weekly, or monthly. Carrie recommends using an app or a simple notebook to track expenses. This helps you find areas where you can cut back and save more. Chapter 9, Learn continuously. Personal finance isn't a one-time lesson. Make it a habit to read books, listen to podcasts, and learn from people who are financially successful. This is especially important because financial decisions are lifelong, and mistakes can be expensive. Conclusion: quick tips to becoming a 1-minute salesperson. So here's how you can start using these 1-minute principles right now. 1. Break big goals into small, achievable tasks. 2. Praise others quickly and sincerely. 3. Address issues quickly, constructively, and move forward. 4. Focus on listening to your customers. 5. Build long-term, trust-based relationships. Remember, it's not the hours you put in, it's the minutes you make count. Become a one-minute salesperson, and you'll see just how much impact you can have. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to bookhub for more easy-to-digest book breakdowns. We've got a ton of great content lined up for you. Catch you in the next one.